Have you ever imagined AI add-ons that were designed to summarize long articles easily, help you get fresh ideas like a study guide, or help you write emails? Well, even if you've not imagined tools that can do the things mentioned above, they exist. Although lots of people are yet to start taking advantage of AI extensions, these tools can come in handy in helping you have a much better internet experience. It's okay if you're just getting to know about AI extensions. So, before finding out what the 6 best AI extensions to use in 2024 are, you should get armed with what AI extensions are. What are AI extensions? In its simplest form, an AI extension is a simple software program that you can integrate with your browser directly. These software programs are fortified with AI models that help make your time on the internet a lot more productive and easier. There are various types of AI extensions. However, that is a subject for another video. These are the 6 best AI extensions to use in 2024. We will see these AI extensions in a minute, but in the meantime, kindly smash the like and share buttons. Also, please subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Moving on. 6. ChatSonic. If you've made use of ChatGPT a couple of times, but have had to deal with a bit of dissatisfaction because of the lack of up-to-date information, ChatSonic is an AI extension that can do you a lot of good. This AI extension might not be as prominent as ChatGPT. Nonetheless, it is generally regarded as an improvement on ChatGPT. ChatSonic was designed to integrate the most recent content on the internet with ChatGPT. It is a conversational tool and might be reputable for filling in the gap left by ChatGPT. But that's just one of the things it does. This AI extension helps in providing intelligent responses to emails. It also comes in handy in preparing catchy emails. ChatSonic might be great for emails, but you do not have to limit it to just emails. It can also be used in generating top-quality LinkedIn and Twitter content. Due to all that ChatSonic was designed to do, it is a tool that can make your internet experience a lot more productive. But there is something special about it. This special feature is it has access to the most recent data on Google. So when used to search Google, you can be sure of getting the latest information. But that's not all. You won't have to spend time on fluff, as it summarizes this information. Additionally, whatever information you get through this tool is supported by ample references. 5. YouTube Digest. At number 5 is YouTube Digest, an AI extension that was designed specifically for folks who like getting information out of YouTube without necessarily spending so much time watching videos. So at this point, you might not know the possibility of getting information on YouTube without necessarily spending so much time watching videos. However, this is possible, and YouTube Digest is the reason for this. YouTube Digest makes use of artificial intelligence to make your video watching experience as simple as it can get. So how does it do this? YouTube Digest functions by taking out the subtitles from YouTube videos, carefully analyzing them, and then summarizing them. This looks simple, but there's more. You see, with YouTube Digest, it's up to you how you want the summary of a video to appear. This summary can appear in paragraphs or as bullet points, so you're free to implement whichever you're comfortable with. 4. HARPA AI Extension. Not everyone watches videos, and if you fall into the category of folks that do not watch videos, you just might not need the YouTube Digest AI extension. As much as not everyone gets to watch videos online, it might be difficult to visit the internet regularly without filling out a couple of forms. Well, if you have an issue with spending ample time filling forms online, the HARPA AI extension can come in handy. The HARPA AI extension was designed to help visitors to the internet find information more easily, but that's not all it does. It can also come in handy in helping you fill out online forms very easily. HARPA AI extension works by integrating Claude AI and GPT technologies. Also, it comes with several features and is free, but that's not all. It gives a lot of priority to user privacy. The implication of this is if you are weary of using free products because your privacy might be at stake, you will not have such a problem with the HARPA AI extension. Getting started with the HARPA AI extension is quite straightforward. You do not need to be an expert at using AI extensions to use it and get the best out of it. When looking to use the HARPA AI extension, you need to ensure the Google Chrome browser is installed on your PC. With this done, the next thing you need to do is download the HARPA AI extension and install it. Once you have the HARPA AI extension installed, to get working, you have to activate it. This is simple. All you need to do is select the HARPA AI icon. It is quite easy to understand the workings of the HARPA AI extension, but you might struggle to understand how this next AI extension works. The next AI extension in this video is the Merlin AI extension. But before we see what it offers and how it works, kindly subscribe to this channel if you have yet to do so. 3. Merlin AI extension. It is easy to deduce what this AI extension is all about from its name, and if all you can think of is magic when the Merlin AI extension comes to mind, you are not far from the truth. The Merlin AI extension is magical, and you would almost mistake it for magic. Well, it might be super magical, but it isn't magic, as it is simply a product of technology. With the Merlin AI extension, you can summarize content, do something like come up with fresh images and chat with web pages. Merlin AI extension offers a lot, and you might be quick to assume you need to make payment before enjoying what it has to offer. Well, if you've assumed you must pay a fee to use the Merlin AI extension, you are right and wrong. You are right because there are paid plans for this AI extension, but wrong. After all, it isn't just available to folks that are willing to pay. It has a free version, so without any funds in your pocket, you can enjoy what the Merlin AI extension has to offer. Getting started with this AI extension is easy. The first thing you need to do is head to the Chrome Web Store. Once there, do a quick search for Merlin AI Chrome extension. After finding it, select Add to Chrome. As soon as this extension is installed, all you need to do is click its icon each time you want to use it. Additionally, it is okay to use this AI extension the way it appears. However, you can customize it if you need more. Merlin AI extension is magical and might be apt for folks who do not want to do a lot of work. However, the next AI extension is for folks who are super organized and want to cross the T's while on the internet. 2. GLASP AI extension. This is an ideal AI extension for folks who have to attend online classes and do not necessarily want to do a lot of work with their notes. It gives you the freedom to do things that you probably consider impossible. They include highlighting on PDFs and websites. With this, you don't need to put so much energy into searching for important points when studying online. Another thing this AI extension can do is summarize videos. That's not all. It even gets better. If you have an online study group, the GLASP AI extension can help your study group function seamlessly. This is because it gives you the freedom to share notes. Who says you have to always do the sharing? You can also receive notes. 1. Superpower ChatGPT extension. If you've gained a lot from the use of ChatGPT, you might want to try out the Superpower ChatGPT extension because, as its name says, it is an improvement in what ChatGPT was designed to do. The Superpower ChatGPT extension comes with a voice interaction feature and an image gallery feature. There's more. It features style and language customization. It also comes with utilities such as model switching and custom instruction profiles. So, which of these AI extensions do you prefer? Kindly tell us in the comments section below. That's all we can take today. Thanks for going all the way. Make sure to subscribe to AI Advisors for more educational content in 2024. See you in the next video.